So the 50 cents Pro Tech, I've never heard of them before. Small hi-fi system for people is for little people, I think. Let's put that down, pop it on the CD and see if we can get anything to play. Well, we got literally no lights at all. Well, I'm not allowed to call the dashboard. There's nothing happening there. Now, if you haven't got speakers, which I haven't got the speakers to fit this, and like I said at the beginning, I haven't got the speakers to fit this because they would take one of these. You can't always come out of the headphone socket if you want to hear it. But do I want to hear this? No. This is not a Debbie foul because this is... Debbie doesn't like to foul. This is a Debbie 50 cent piece of absolute rubbish. Gonna get my Roy CD out of there. It's not worth cleaning the tape head cleaner because the radio's not got any lights on. I've got no speakers that fit it, and the cassette deck is kaput. Is it worth opening up? No, it's not. Absolutely not. Not at the 50 cents with a smiley face. Yes, the guy wanted to get rid of it. Yes, I took it in as a... really, I took it in because I felt sorry for it. I mean, look how... oh, how cheap it is. Look how light it is. I can hold it with one hand. Cheap, light, horrible. It is horrible. And we have the volume. That's gone. Right, what I will do, because it does come in handy to me, I'm going to take the plug off. So now, if I need to make a lamp or anything, I've got the ready plug ready for the lamp. Always making lamps. Well, now, what to do with this one? I have a plan. I can think of one thing that needs to happen to this and continue watching. What will I do with this? Does it get made into something else? Does it self-combust and just break? Or, well, it's already broken. What's going to happen? Stay tuned, because I'm going to cut the video, and a couple of days later I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do with this one. So keep watching to the end of this video. You might be surprised at what's going to happen with this. In this first episode of Debbie Destructs Stuff, I will choose for you, but you will get a selection of weapons for me to use, and that way when you're ready for next week's episode, yes, there's more to come, then you'll be able to decide which way I destroy the object. I've selected a few, there is a few more. A club hammer. We have a bottle of fizzy drink, but there's not very much in there because I don't drink fizzies. It just happens to be that I've got some. Small electronics is probably better for that. We have the chainsaw, so we could slice it in half. I have the garden fork, give it a good stabbing and chuck it over the side, but then I'd have to run round and collect it. But then people might want to see me running around and collecting it. Also have the crossbow, so we could shoot at it with the crossbow. Or indeed we could shoot it with the Glock. So there you are, it's Debbie's destruction of the 50 cents audio equipment today. So normally I was going to let you, in this new series, I'm going to let you choose. But because I just want this out of the way, because I've got some amazing finds to show you in the video, I'm going to kill it with a club hammer. So let's line you up there. Kill it with a club hammer. Make sure we're in shot. Make sure we're in shot. Let's kill it with a club hammer. The crossbow out of the way. We don't want to damage that one. But we do want to damage this one, because then I will feel no guilt about slinging it in the bin. Plastic that needs to die. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. I'm hoping you can get that on the camera. Do I need to move it forwards? Let's have a look. Tell you what, I'm going to put my glasses down in case I get a bit plastic in the eye. Oh, the joy. Oh, look at that. The joy. Smashing up the old audio. So make some space in the workshop. I was going to use the hammer. Seems to be doing a rather nice job of it. Some people can say, has the woman gone mad? No, she hasn't. Because she was, oh, quite tough there. She was already bonkers. Right, let's go with a hammer. Ha 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 ha. Goodbye, Protec. Oh, I can sit here, can I? Smash it up. It's taking quite a pounding. What I really needed was one of them big sledgehammers, wasn't it? It's taken a fair pounding. Oh, let's have a look inside. Is there anything salvageable inside? Do we want to salvage any of it? Oh, it's tempting, isn't it? It's tempting. Give it a bit more of a smash. Ah, yes. Woohoo! Right, well we have got on audio. I'll tell you what, quite often these ribbon cables. All right, I'm not going to keep all this old took that's inside. Somebody might want to desolder the capacitors and the little motors. Thinking, do I want any of it? No, I bloody don't. It's been hell of a week. Sometimes things just got to get smashed up. So, hoping everyone's well today. I feel great. There we go. Is that distracted enough? That won't work again, will it? That was quite joyful. That was joyful. So, stay tuned. If you like my little channel, like and subscribe. It's not all about repairs. Repairs are mainly it. Sometimes, some things have just got to go. And this has got to